or else we're not going to have a sleepover again.
No, I don't want to have a sleepover.
And that's why you have to be quiet.